Outstanding design defines the 2015 Subaru BRZ. This vehicle takes charge of the roadway while maintaining first-rate quality and style.
Subaru made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find a 4-cylinder engine with more than 200 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive.
Subaru perfected each and every component on the exterior surface. An attractive stance is achieved thanks to the alloy wheels glistening within the fenders.
Sport-oriented sophistication characterizes the lavish cockpit. All of the premium features expected of a Subaru are offered, including a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, and one-touch window functionality. Other available features include leather upholstery, heated seats, automatic temperature control, heated door mirrors, and others depending on your trim selection.
With side curtain airbags supplementing the rest of the safety network, you can be assured that you and your passengers will experience top-tier protection.
The 2015 Subaru BRZ. Well-equipped and fully capable, this car is a truly winning combination, a quick and nimble vehicle emphasizing safety, style, and fun.